Hey everyone, it's Blue Room Beats here from Colorado, and I'm here to do a product unboxing and kind of show you a little bit about the DJI Action 2. No Osmo, but DJI Action 2.
Blue Room Beats.
So here we have packaged, straight from Best Buy. We'll see how this goes, and yeah, let's get to unboxing then. Well, first off, we get the unboxing knife, and let's start to open this thing right here. Well, inside every box is another box, so you guys see about that DJI Action 2. And let's throw that shit over there. Alright, now let's get to opening and seeing what's inside. We pop this open right here. And yeah, we got little instruction booklets and stuff in here. The DJI Action 2. Let it focus a little bit. Right on. Looking pretty solid right now. Alright, so I got the camera module in my hand right now. And yeah, it's not too shabby. Let's see if we got this right here. There you go. Look at that. DJI Action 2. Right here, gotta show the drip. Ooh. There we go. Yep, touchscreen module. Taking that. Ooh. There we go. That is amazing work there. Yeah, you might notice in looking at renders that there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. It's all going to be with your USB-C dongle to 3.5mm headphone jack. So yeah, I mean dimensions, you're looking at 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch, a little square. 39 by 39 by 22.3 millimeters. Okay, this is an action camera, so part of it is waterproof, and that'd be only the main camera module is waterproof. If you want your extra selfie screen to go with you in the water, you have to buy the waterproof case. First connection on here. So again, have the selfie screen towards you, and the first connection right here. Oh, they just go in, and you just make sure that they're locked in with those. Yeah, wow, dude, that's a pretty little camera. What else comes in the box? USB Type A to USB-C. You know, some of the accessories that do come in the box, which is your GoPro mount. Here we have the GoPro mount. All in the glory right there. Set that down here. So we're going to be definitely checking that out right here. We'll definitely be using those for some POV shots. Get a little closer look. I mean, it's still wrapped up, but again, that's what we're going to do. I'll show you in later details later. I'm going to use this on a couple of photo shoots. So again, for my review and see if this is really worth buying, right? This is a very expensive item. No, this is not sponsored by DJI. And look, we got another mount. Look at that. 1/4 inch screw adapter, I believe. So that's pretty neat. So you can use this on your Gorilla Pods and selfie sticks. I believe this is the sticky mount. And this right here said, a lot of YouTubers say you just pop this little cap off right here, and then peel that off, and you stick it anywhere, but then you could rinse it off and then, you know, wait till it dries a little bit and you could reuse it. So it's a pretty cool little accessory. This whole camera setup seems to be versatile. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what's in the box right now. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Front mics only, testing 1 2. Yes. Excuse me. Sweet.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow my butt. Big 70.
I'm 27.
Yeah, big 27.
07.
We made a mistake.
Make a
I'm
wish, Pop.
27.
Make a wish.
Okay, I did it. Bueno.